Yeah, hit him. Alright, sick. What are we doing, Matt?
I'm going to turn my car on for the first time, hopefully, in about 20 months.
20 months.
I think.
So the deal with Matt's car is we never finished putting it together and we've been doing other stuff with our lives.
We did rebuild part 1 and then we dipped.
Yeah. And the garage is now just full of household stuff because...
Well, I don't live here anymore.
Yeah,
so I need to get it out of my mum's house.
Yeah. But that's where we're at. Nah, in all seriousness, we, I don't know, we've been doing other stuff with our lives. Matt's got a cool job, I've got a cool job, and I've been playing in my band and stuff. But, yeah, we're back working on our cars. Matt's going to get his car on the road. My car is not going to be on the road for a while, but that's fine.
Do one of them. It's good enough. Yeah. Let's do it, I guess. I'm so scared.
Where's your oil?
Oh, dude, that's so chill.
Nice.
How much are you putting in?
I don't know. Oh, you...
Got a little breather in it.
Sorry. I'm actually so dumb.
What are you doing?
Alright.
It's not in gear.
Matt's about to turn over his car for the first time.
Yeah. Crank it for 10 seconds. And then let it sit. And then another 10 and then let it sit. Just so the starter doesn't get too hot.
Alright, well, plug it in.
Now's the part where it gets scary.
Yeah.
That's the part where it gets awesome.
Yeah, and plug in the fuel pump. Oh, I need the keys.
I'm actually gonna flip if it just like actually turns on.
Coil is plugged in.
Ready to go?
Ready to go.
Your horn's not even loud enough to scare people.
You've definitely only got one horn.
It sounds so cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let her rip.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my. Alright, well, it was completely out of time, and we just put it in time, so it's going to fire up this time, I swear to God.
Still not in gear yet.
Correct.
Sorry, I check every time I stand in front of a car.
That's pretty fair. We ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bang on.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Bang on.
Hectic.
Turns off.
Oh yeah. All right. We're about to run in this car.
Yes. James, who, before anyone asks, is a professional engine builder.
I think we've established
He's
that.
given us a run-in, I guess, timetable for this thing.
Yeah.
So we'll just do what he says, and it should take about 15-20 minutes.
It's pretty funny. Everybody like I see on YouTube and stuff who does run-ins, it's definitely very different to what we've been advised to do.
Yeah.
Which is kind of just like give it some load, make sure it doesn't idle for too long, and then just rev the living piss out of it.
Yes.
After like maybe 20 minutes or so.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
there is some method to what Dylan just said as well. We're not just giving it random amounts of throttle.
But this is gonna be enjoyable.
Yeah, I can't wait. Let's do it.
All right. Let's hope nothing fucks up.
Yes.
All right. Stopwatch has begun. 5 minutes, 50% load, 50% throttle. Changing load all the time.
I'm so scared. Like, being on camera is so frightening right now because I'm concentrating so hard.
Don't think about the camera. Think about the good times. What's that squealing?
Are my tyres like got air in them?
True.
I've never come close to full throttle, dude.
Sick. This is pure chaos in the car.
Yeah, it's like
We're just like
just changing gears constantly, hitting the brakes on main roads. Like,
it's got to be done.
yeah, from like 3 grand upwards. Oh shit. 100% load, right?
Yeah, 100% load.
Not 100 ball is a lot. Give me a thumbs up.
King.
I'm just being cool.
Me.
That's it, baby.
Oh god. Alright, running done. That was stressful.
Yeah.